Hi guys, my name is SARITHA I L. I am from Bangalore. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology. I joined Jspiders in the month of June. This is within 4 months I got placed in the company called UNISYS. Yesterday I got a call from UNISYS. Koja was taken by Anupama ma'am and SQL taken by Navya ma'am and technology is taken by Salman sir and where grooming was taken by Pawan sir. Before joining to Jspiders, I had a 0% knowledge on technical skills. After joining to Jspiders Hebbal, I got a confidence like even I can attend the interview, I can crack the interview. So if anyone are seeking to get a job, I would like to recommend all of you to come to Jspiders Hebbal, which is located in Mumbai. So I would like to thank all the HRs and faculty to getting this job. Thank you, Jspiders Hebbal.